Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is ankle. This is an A2 level noun, and it refers to the joint that connects the foot and the leg. It's a simple but very important word that we use frequently in everyday life. The ankle is a part of the body that plays a crucial role in movement, helping us walk, run, jump, and stand. For example, if you've ever twisted your ankle, you know just how much you depend on it every day. It's also a common word you might hear in conversations about sports or health, like, "She sprained her ankle during the basketball game." Let's look at some synonyms for ankle. While there aren't many exact matches, you might hear people refer to it as a joint or, in very specific medical contexts, the tarsus. For instance, a doctor might say, "The tarsus is crucial for foot mobility." However, the word ankle is by far the most common and widely understood term. Now, let's explore some antonyms. Since ankle is a specific part of the body, we can think of contrasting parts. For example, wrist is an antonym in the sense that it connects the hand and arm instead of the foot and leg. A sentence might be, "While her ankle healed quickly, her wrist took a bit longer." In everyday life, the word ankle pops up in so many different ways. You might say, "I need supportive shoes to protect my ankles during my hike," or "Be careful not to roll your ankle on uneven ground." It's also used metaphorically sometimes, like in the expression to grab someone by the ankle, meaning to hold them back. Here are a few more examples of how to use ankle in sentences. My ankle feels stiff after running. She wears a bracelet around her ankle when she goes to the beach. The player had to leave the field because of a swollen ankle. To sum up, today we've learned that the word ankle is a noun that describes the joint connecting the foot and leg. It's a practical and important term for describing movement and physical health. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you'll start noticing how often this word comes up in conversations and daily life. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and join in the fun of learning English. Before we go, here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word ankle and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you use it. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.